Okay, so looks like we are live and welcome back to another quiz. This time the topic for the quiz is LLM, so the large language model. So somewhere if you know the concept of AI, the concept of LLMs, you should be able to answer this. And the winner will get the prize. So we got top three winners. The first prize is 5,000 INR, the second prize is 3,000 INR, and the first prize is 2,000 INR. So I hope you're all set. And before we start, of course, I need to check if uh, YouTube has sent the notification to everyone. So we are live on two platforms, LinkedIn and YouTube. So do let me know in the chat from which platform you have joined and also which location. And by the time you're doing this, I'm going to set up my quiz. And this time, the team mentioned that there will be some difficult questions. Last time it was easy. Okay, joining from Gurgaon, Hyderabad. Use trial. I don't think they can do anything now. At this point, I think it's not even required. Um, oh, you can't hear me, is it? Everything is good, looks good on my machine. I hope I'm properly audible. Okay, so from Bangalore, Punjab, Gujarat, Chennai, Bihar. Looks good. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, so this is how you can basically connect to the quiz. So it's very simple. Take out some other phone, scan this QR code, and it will ask you for two things, the name and the email address. So make sure that you provide your right email address and right name, because if you win, our team will send you the email regarding the steps. Okay. So I'm waiting for some time so that you can join. Hi, Anshuman. Just a second. Okay, now since this quiz is a quiz where you can win prizes, we have to make sure that we set certain guardrails so that you will not cheat. Uh, or at least we can discourage cheating. So there are certain instructions here. So make sure that you stay on this tab, don't switch tabs. Don't try to use any shortcuts like screen recording or sharing your screen to the AI tool. Uh, yeah, so no screenshot, no recording, and don't try to copy paste. So basically, you will lose time while doing that. And also, since to do all those things, you need to switch tabs, we have restricted the tab switching. I think once or twice is okay, but if you keep doing this, you will get the penalty. And you can also get banned from the quiz. So waiting for everyone to join. Yeah, you can attempt on mobile phone or desktop, your choice. So we'll start the quiz once we start 150 participants. So I need to share some feedback to my team regarding this page. There should be some Talisco logo on it. Let me just do that to my team. So we need Talisco logo. What else we need to change here? When I'm showing the instructions, the QR should still be visible. Okay, 10 more seconds and we are going to start with this quiz. So the quiz is based on LM. In fact, yeah, so the quiz topic should also be visible. Quiz topic. Okay, so in 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so I need to give some more instructions. So in this quiz, if you want to win, you need to make sure that you get more points or maximum point. And the way you can get that is by giving right answer, but also make sure that you give the answer as fast as possible because the time will decide the points. So the faster you answer, the more points you will get. Okay, that's how the quiz will go. There will be in total 15 questions. There might be some extra questions, not for the points, but just for fun. So I think my team will surprise me today. And even I have not seen the questions yet. So here we go. So, okay, so we have not started the quiz yet. So there are some questions, some fun questions. So have you explored the new Talisco LMS platform yet? So it's a learning platform basically to host courses, the paid courses or the free courses, apart from YouTube. We have our own platform where we used to host courses. But before we were using third party, but now we have build our own platform so that we can customize it. We can add some features when we want to. We don't have to wait for some third party company to build it. So we have built our own platform. So do check it out. The link, let me share that in the chat. So it's learn.talisco.com. So check out this link. It should take you to a page. So all the new courses will be coming there. Okay, let me also share the quiz link. Okay, not yet. Intermediate. Not yet. Okay, so go through it once. Check the page, which is learn.talisco.com. Yes, you can join the quiz now. I'm also keeping this QR open so that you can join. Okay, so anyone who have not explored the new platform, do check it out. The next question, again, not the quiz question. What stops you from finishing a course? This is interesting because we have observed when someone start the course, we see the numbers, we see the stats. The number of people completing a course goes down with each video. And even I do that when I learn from a course. It's not like we complete the entire course. When you buy a book, it's not like you complete the entire book. There's always a breaking point where you say, okay, now it's enough. So we want to know, when do you stop? What stops you? So laziness, yes. Sometimes it is interest, right, where you lose the interest in a course and then you want to try something else. I think the biggest one is laziness, motivation, or like it's a lack of motivation. Nothing stops you from finishing a course. That's good. Time, yeah, that's one factor. Yeah, if it is a boarding course, yes, in that case, you will stop the course. Money, I mean, if you have started the course, that means you bought it already. So it's not why you're not purchasing a course. It's like if you bought it, why not you're completing it? When you buy the book, why not completing it? Okay, you're the one who helped my career transformation from manual testing to Selenium Java. Oh, thank you so much. This is the motivation. Okay, perfect. And now it's time to start the actual quiz. 15 questions, answer as fast as possible to get the points. So everyone, the topic is LLM. The first question coming on your screen, and here we go. What type of technology are the LLM based on? Okay, time up. Let's see what you're saying. So most of you are saying deep learning and natural language processing, and that is correct. Good job. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Which company created BERT? This should be simple, very simple. And time up. It's Google. You know, when OpenAI came into picture, I mean, of course, it's there from a long time, but November 2022, when people started using ChatGPT with all these new features, people thought, Google will shut down. Come on, Google is there in the AI space way longer than all the other companies, and they have built some amazing models. Okay, cool. So now it's time to show you the leaderboard. Okay, I want to show you the interim leaderboard to show you how thing works out. So if I see the leaderboard, this is your ranking, and if you are not in top 10, you can see your current ranking. Let me know your current ranking in the chat. Okay, so Amit, Lokesh, Rajesh, Raghavendra, Pragyanshu, Manish, Hitesh, Mohammed, Karthik, and Siksha. Siksha Tiwari plays this quiz a lot. I think you already won one of the event, or one of the quiz. Okay, the quiz ranking 24, 78, 134, 98. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay, and now it's time to move to the next question. What is the name of Meta's LLM model family? Even this should be easy. I forgot which company had a model called Falcon. Anyone knows? I think I saw this model. Okay, time up, and let's see the answer. It's Llama. That's right. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. In LLMs, what is the role of fine tuning? Okay, let's see the answer. That's right. It is customizing the model for specific task, format, and domain. Perfect. Anyone just join the stream and they want to be a part of this quiz, you can still join. You can scan this QR code and you'll be in. And let me also share the quiz link in the chat once. Okay, next question coming on your screen, everyone. And here we go. What is the name of the parameter that limits how many tokens a LLM generate? Yeah, I think it's enough to start building a project. Okay, time up, and it's max tokens. Perfect. So let's see the leaderboard once again. And who's doing good? It's still Amit, doing very good here. Then Rajesh, Lokesh. Nothing much change in the top 10. I think Dattu is a new entry. Dipti, Karthik, and Guru. But very close. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What happens to an LLM's output when you set the temperature to exactly 0? Okay, time up. This should be easy. So model always picks the highest probability token. So this is how you can basically check how random you want your LLM to behave or how strict. Yeah. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What do top K, top P control in LLM generation? Okay, time up. Let's see correct answer is a sample strategy, a sampling strategy used to choose the next token. Okay, so you people are good with LLMs. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. For which use case do you not need a vector store? Okay, this should be simple. And that's right. It's summarizing a single text, short text using an LLM. Perfect. So you don't need a vector store when summarizing a single short text because the LLM can read the small text. That's right. So when I was reading the options, I was like, we use it here, we use it here, we use it here, but we don't have option where we don't use. Then I saw the last option. Okay. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What is the name of the process that breaks large document into smaller pieces? Okay, time up. Let's see. That's chunking. So basically, you create chunks and then you store that in the vector store. Okay, time to see the leaderboard. And it's still Amit. Amit is not moving from top one position. Then we got Lokesh, Rajesh, same. I think Pragyanshi, you're there before. Okay, almost the same people in top 10. But very nearby. You can still catch up. Come on, Lokesh, you can take over Amit here. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What does HNSW stand for in vector search? It's a small world. Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It's hierarchical navigable small world algorithm. Perfect. So last 5 questions remaining. Moving to the next question, and here we go. Which approach usually perform exact nearest neighbor search by comparing the query vector with all stored vectors? In how many years you learned Java? It took me 15 years, because every time you work with it, you learn something new, you try different things, still learning. But if you want to start building, I think 6-7 months is enough. Okay, let's see the answer. It is brute force vector comparison method. So time to see the leaderboard once again, and then we'll see at the end. Okay, not much changed here. So now the next leaderboard will be visible at the end. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What is the name of OpenAI technique that lets LLM call external APIs? If you're watching this, I need one more feature. So basically, when I use StreamYard for streaming, for this layout, if you can see, when I switch this layout, sometimes it can block this particular section. So if you can just make this higher, I can use this layout, which looks better than this layout. This is better. So if we can fix this. Okay, let's see the correct answer. It's function calling. Okay, 3 more questions to go. So the next question coming on your screen, here we go. What is the name of a technique that compresses model size by reducing the weight precision? So what time is that in Nigeria? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. Disquantization. Last 2 questions. The next question coming on your screen. And here we go. What does React stand for in the LLM agent framework? So let's see the correct answer. This should be easy. It's reasoning plus acting. Shamik, if you're watching this, we need to make difficult questions. Okay, and the last question, everyone. Coming on your screen. And here we go. What are the steps of React framework for LLM agents? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It is thought, then action, then observation, steps. Perfect. So you think, you plan it, you take the action, then you observe. So yeah, so 15 questions done, and it's time to see the winner. Any guess? Do you think Amit is still the winner? Because he was doing well for the first few leaderboards. Okay. Any courses that covers all these topics? Yeah, we are coming up with this course where everything will be covered. So let's see the leaderboard, the final leaderboard. And it is Amit. Good job, Amit. Then second is Lokesh. Third is Raghavendra. Good job. In top 10, okay, there's a tie between Chinmay and Antariksh. So we got Datu, Hitesh, Karthik, Dipti, Bibek, and Chinmay, Antariksh. Okay, all correct, but still in 40th position. Maybe it's the speed. I mean, we are taking all the measures so that you will not cheat. If you can still cheat it, let me know. We'll try to fix it. So the winners, you will get the email from our team and they will tell you the next steps. The next quiz will be happening on coming Saturday. Course will be free. We'll try to create both the course, free and paid. Using AI, that will show answer in 0.1 second. Any tool will you suggest so that we can test it? Okay, so if you find a way to cheat this, let us know. We'll fix it. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this quiz. We'll do that next quiz coming Saturday. And yeah, so keep watching, keep learning, keep building products, and yeah, have some fun. Okay, it's a web extension. Which one? Can you name it so that our team can test it? Gemini AI screen share. I think team is already testing with that part. Any specific extension you have used? Okay, so let us know. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next live. Bye-bye.